Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and today I have a ton of new things that I'm so excited to try out, and they're actually picked out for me by Nikkie Tutorials. And the reason they're picked out for me by her is because she actually teamed up with Allure and made a beauty box for the Allure beauty box. It's a monthly subscription, and I'm really excited because I just got that for Christmas. So every month I'm going to be getting a lot of new makeup products and skincare products, and I'm really excited to use them. So I'll definitely be featuring more of those Allure beauty boxes in my tutorials and videos. So I'm really excited about that. But this one came with so many good makeup products, and I'm just really excited to use the highlighter, the palette. So we're just gonna jump in with that. And as you can see, I already have my base on. I have blush, contour, foundation. I did my eyebrows because this box, it couldn't include anything, okay? It gave us a lot of good makeup, so I'm not mad about that. But right now I'm looking a little bit too matte, so I really want to go into the highlighter. This is the Ofra X Nikkie Tutorials highlighter called Everglow. And I am a pale queen, so I'm definitely going to take this icy pearl color, and I'm using this end of the Jady Weighty brush, and I'm just going to dip into that and then just slightly place it. And as you can see, that's super blinding, just like Nikkie likes it, so I'm not surprised at all by that. I like that it comes with 3 shades. I mean, you can always use any 3 of them as an eyeshadow, but it's just good for people with different skin colors, and it was smart for them to do this so they didn't have to make a bunch of different colored single highlighters and ship them out that way. So I'm going to take this medium color right here, and I'm going to use that on my temples just because my temples are a little bit more bronzed up from contour, and I want to try out some of the different shades. That's also a really pretty shade. I could probably mix that one and the lighter one and use it still, but it's borderline too dark for me just because I'm so pale. You can see it right here. Just gonna blend that out a little with my finger. But that white shade is stunning. Now I'm just gonna take the white shade and just highlight the tip of my nose and down the bridge of my nose. Just go like that with my finger, and that is a super nice highlight, and I'm really impressed, and I can't wait to try out the eyeshadow palette. This is the Nubian palette by Juvia's Place, and Nikkie Tutorials always uses this brand for her eyes, and I have never used it. So I'm really excited to use it. It's just a bunch of neutral colors, which is great for the everyday. Most people would probably really enjoy this palette, and it's so small and adorable. I wish it had a mirror, but I like this little artwork it has. So I'm really excited to use it, try it out. This is a great way to try out new products and brands that I haven't tried out before, so that's why the beauty box is such a great thing. So I'm just gonna take this color right here, super warm transition shade. I don't have primer on, I just have my concealer on my lids, which is Tarte Shape Tape. Just gonna blend that into my crease. And these shadows are super pigmented, so I probably didn't need as much as I took, but that's okay. We're just gonna blend it out. That highlight though, it's blinding. Might be a little too much for people who don't want all of that on their face, but if you go in with a light hand, I'm sure it'll be fine. Now I'm gonna take this color right here. It's a little darker. It's kind of more neutral, or more of a cooler tone brown. Just do the same thing, just kind of adding more depth to my crease. This is the same brush, by the way. It's just a fluffy brush from Sephora. Now I'm gonna let's go in with this red color. It's kind of more shimmery. The other 2 I used were mattes, and then there's these 2 really metallic shades. This one is more of a satiny matte. So I'm just gonna focus that just by pressing it right on the outer V. and it's a beautiful red color that will go really good with my hazel eyes and making them look a little bit more green and a little less brown, which I love to do. I'm just going to blend that out into the crease. It's not sparkly enough where it will look weird in the crease, so I still think it's okay to use. Alright, so now I'm thinking of doing a pretty bronzy eye, so I'm going to take this color on my finger, and a lot comes off, and just kind of press and swipe onto my whole eyelid. And that is a really pretty coppery bronze color. Yes, that's a super nice color, and it would definitely be flattering on a lot of eye colors, so that's great. Now I'm just going to take this little highlighting brush and dip into this shade right here and put that in the inner corner just for that pop of highlight. This palette did have a little bit of fallout with that red coppery shade, so nothing crazy, but I definitely need to go in. Now I'm just going to go in and do my lower lash line using this like warm brown color again. And just do the entire lower lash line with that color. And then using a really like small tapered blending brush, I'm going into like this shade right here. I just really want to use all of the shades. I'm just going to take that like on the very outer corner and just kind of tap it in and slowly blend it out just to make it kind of smoky. And like I said, just so I can use every shade. This is a beautiful chocolate brown, which you could definitely use all over the lid for like an all matte smoky eye. That would be really pretty. Alright, and next we have eyeliner. So we have this really beautiful rose gold eyeliner component. It's not rose gold, it's black eyeliner, but the packaging is rose gold, and that's really cool. It's from Architect Slim Eyeliner, and it's waterproof, which is great. It's liquid and black, and it has a nice point to it. So I'm just going to do a wing with this. That eyeliner just made it so easy to do a wing. I'm like shook like that it just like did it in like 2 swipes. So I think this is my new favorite black eyeliner, so I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll throw on some mascara, which was not included in the box, and I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back, and I used the Lash Sensational from Maybelline for my mascara, and like I said before, I am so shocked and like amazed by this eyeliner. This was the fastest I have ever done winged eyeliner like ever in my life. So if you don't have this, like definitely check it out. Nikkie Tutorials obviously knows what she's talking about when she recommended this one. Alright, last but not least, I have my lip color picked out by Nikkie, and this is the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick in the color Cabaret Show. And I have used plenty of these on my channel before, but not in this color, so I know that this is a nice formula, and they have a lot of great nude colors, and I'm excited to see what this one looks like, because sometimes the bottle is a little bit misleading. Alright, and that applied really nicely. It's kind of a deeper nude, which is great for the holidays, great for the winter, and I think it went really well with the bronzy eyeshadow palette that we also had picked out for us today. So with that being said, I used all of the makeup products. There were some other face masks and eye masks and recovery balms, but obviously I can't use those all in the same tutorial, so I just stuck with the makeup today, and I really love how it came out. I don't think there's anything in this palette, in the box, that was a no for me. I think everything was super great, obviously, because Nikkie is professional. The highlighter is amazing, the palette, the eyeliner, and the lipstick are great. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like this video, comment down below anything you want to see next from me, and like I said, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.